Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating the repo and linking it to your Android project. First, set up Git locally and add an SSH key or personal access token so you can push securely. Then create a new GitHub repository and copy the clone URL. In Android Studio, enable version control, initialize Git in the project root, and add the remote origin using the URL you copied. Once done, commit your initial files so your project has a tracked baseline on GitHub. You should work on a feature branch to keep main stable. Create a branch like feature/your feature and switch to it. This isolates changes and simplifies reviews. As you develop, make small, focused commits with descriptive messages and run lint checks and unit tests before each commit so CI stays green. Before pushing, pull the latest remote changes to reduce conflicts. If conflicts appear, resolve them locally in Android Studio or with Git commands. Then stage the fixes and push your branch to GitHub for a pull request. You open a pull request to merge your feature into main, explain the why and what in the description, and add reviewers. Once reviewers leave comments, address them promptly by making changes on your branch. You can amend or add commits, then push updates so the PR reflects fixes. After approvals and passing CI, choose the appropriate merge style, squash for a clean history or merge commit if preserving detailed commits matters. If something breaks post-merge, check CI logs, revert or hotfix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.